What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? Girl, I don't know what kind of dance that was. What's up, guys? Welcome. I am Tonyanicole, and welcome, guys, to my channel. Today, we finally got our BoxyCharm Premium. So, yes, loves, I did a poll. You guys said you still wanted to see it, so that's what we're doing today. So, if you guys want to see what I got in this BoxyCharm and ABH Takeover box, stay right there, baby. Alrighty, guys, welcome. I'm your girl, Tonyanicole, as I said in the intro, and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you guys clicked that button to watch your girl today. We're gonna do a quick unboxing of the BoxyCharm and ABH Takeover box. I was not gonna do it, but I did a poll. You guys said you wanted to see it, so boom, I'm making it happen. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my family. I would love to have you. Make sure you share this video and give it a big thumbs up if this is the kind of content you'd like to see from your girl. Now, we're not gonna waste too much time on this box. Oh my goodness, before I go any further, Lord, I wanna shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Before I get started with this unboxing, I wanna say that I do know this was supposed to be an unboxing and try on video. But guys, I'm gonna tell you, I have been working crazy hours. The COVID test that I've been doing, I'm the COVID swabber at my job, and we have been having a lot of positives. So I'm working 4 in a row now, and I'm a little tired. So I did not, have time to do a whole unboxing and try on, but I promise the try on will be coming in the near future, probably next month though, because y'all know I'm getting ready to go on vacation, so I will need that much needed break. Let's get some specs on this box, baby, and go on and unbox her. Oh, I don't have a drink either today, y'all. I suck big time. This is the BoxyCharm Premium box, guys. This is the $35 per month subscription. You're supposed to get 6 full-size beauty products in this box. And the value, I think the value on the Takeover box may be a little bit lower. I'm not sure, but we'll add it up towards the end. If you want to subscribe to BoxyCharm, the link is down below, guys. So without further ado, boo, let's get this box on and pop in. Boo, a dance break and a drink break. All right, I got my little box cutter right here. All righty. When we open her up, oh, this is gorgeous. Look, y'all, purple is my favorite color, and I'm definitely feeling the purple inside. It is beautiful. Love it. We do get a beautiful card this month. This is what it's looking like. It says BoxyCharm Premium and Norvina. Beautiful. On the back is a list of the products we received as well as prices, and there is a buy one get one 50% off code if you use ABHXBoxy. So check that out, guys. Use it if you want some money off. I love to see it. I did move the big palette to the side. I'm gonna save that for last, guys. So let's just go with the first thing that I see. And first up we have from, okay, everybody knows it's gonna be from ABH, so I won't say it on every, well, I'll try not to. First up we have this liquid lipstick in the shade Ashton. That is the first product right here. And let's see, baby. Ooh, this is a pretty color. Something like I always wear. I don't know if I want to swatch this one, y'all. I'll swatch it. Y'all, and forgive my hands, because I have a wicked heat rash. That's the shade right there. It is very pretty. I'm gonna add some to my lips. So this is kind of like a try on portion, right? It's a peachy color. I actually really do like this. Oh, it looks really pretty. Oh, I like that, y'all. Oh, okay. And this, loves, retails for, and this retails for $20. I'm really digging the color, y'all. I really am. All right, next up we have a brow definer brow pencil here. And this is in the shade dark brown. Let's open this up. ABH's brow products are dynamite. Love them. Oh, it's a nice triangle shape right here. I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand. Oh, it feels a little bit dry and waxy, but that's the color right there, loves. Can y'all see right there? Okay, I could work with it like in the front, probably to define my brows up a little bit. And they have a spoolie on this side. This right here, loves, retails for $23. So I'm not gonna go into a lot of description on the products because they're pretty much self-explanatory, but yeah, so we're gonna keep it kind of short this time. So next product is this waterproof cream color right here. And I think that this is like, well, let me see what this is, hold on. Full pigment cream color that provides high coverage and precise definition. This waterproof blendable formula blends easily and dries down to a matte finish that won't budge or run. It's ideal for shadow or liner. It retails for $18. And let's see, oh, okay. It's like a brow product, pretty much, an eyeliner. Ooh, that black is nice. Ooh, I love that. I won't swatch it, but I'm definitely going to incorporate this into a look, baby. Definitely. Next product up, my loves, is this loose highlighter. Ooh, and we got the shade Peach Fizz. Now, the lipstick that I'm wearing is a peachy tone, and I'm kind of happy that girl, what? Tell me that don't say Tonyanicole. Oh my goodness, and look at the back. Beautiful. Oh girl, the packaging sold me. It is gorgeous. Pink glitter. Love it. All right, that's what it looks like. It's sealed on the inside, but we're gonna go ahead and try to get into this. So once we open it, 15 hours later, that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna shake a little bit into the cap so that I can swatch it. Ooh, y'all, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. Look at that. Nice, beautiful, peachy shade. I hope you guys are able to see that. It is gorgeous. I'm gonna add a little bit down my nose. Oh, not too much. And a little bit on like my cheeks right here. Let's see. Ooh, shit, girl. What? I'm a fan. Oh, wait, let me fix my hair, girl. Oh, a hot mess. Okay, I really like this, my loves. And this retails for $25. All right, so the next product is my choice product, and this is the ABH powder bronzer, and I chose the shade Mahogany. I already know that because that's the shade that I wear. Look, it's right here. I'm very, very excited for this, y'all. Even though they do sell these at TJ Maxx, it's always good to get it in my box. That's what it looks like. And ooh, there she go, there she go, there she go. There is the shade. This is so pretty to bronze up with. I know it looks kind of light in the pan, but when I put it on, it just bronzes my face up really good. I was so excited that this was a choice item for me. Now, I did want the translucent powder, but they didn't have it, but I'm excited for this. And this retails for $28. Okay, and for our final product, before I show you guys, I want you to drop down in the comments and let me know which palette you think that I chose. I think I already told y'all though, I don't know. But this is the palette. I should have went with the purple one, guys, but I chose this one because I don't own any palettes like this. So this is a Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3. And once I saw the shades, I was kind of regretting not getting the purple one because I really love the purple one, but I could make it do what it do with this one too. That's how it looks outside of the package. There we go. Is that right? Yeah. It's beautiful. The packaging is gorgeous. I love it. Oh, girl, we get a big mirror. Hey, boo. And let me show you guys. I'm sure you've seen this palette already, but this is the palette right here. Look at those gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I literally cannot wait to create a look with this, guys. Like, the colors are so vibrant, so beautiful, and they're totally outside of my comfort zone, which is shocking to me. But I love them. I am gonna swatch a couple for you guys just so that you can see how they look. Let's get a shimmer and this neon color. Y'all, totally outside of my comfort zone, totally. Ooh, ooh, okay. Shades are pretty. The yellow, this yellow shade didn't pick up too well, but I think I could kind of work with it. Okay, I'm not mad that I chose this. I do wish I would have got the purple one though, but that's okay. And this palette here, guys, is 60 bucks. Wow. And the bronzer was $28. I didn't tell you guys that before. All right, so that was our final product. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we received this Norvina Pro Pigment palette right here. This loose highlighter, beautiful shade in Peach Fizz. This powder bronzer in Mahogany. the brow definer in dark brown, the waterproof cream color liner here, and this beautiful liquid lipstick. So these 6 products right here, my loves. And my variation is letter C, 210-7219-PM. And the total for my box was $174. All right, so final thoughts. Final thoughts on this box was I loved it. I really did. I really wish I would have got the translucent setting powder, but I am okay with getting my bronzer. The lip color looks beautiful. The highlighter goes perfect with my skin. Brow product was the correct color for me. I really enjoyed this box, guys. I really think that it is a great box. I love when BoxyCharm does takeover boxes, so I am quite pleased with this box. I'm very excited to dip into these products for you guys, hopefully in a very near future video. Girl, I'm stumbling all over the place. I'm so sorry if this video feels rushed, guys, but I am tired, girl. I want to take this wig off, these lashes, get in my bed because I work tomorrow, which will be today when you guys see this. But I enjoyed the box. I thought it was an amazing box. I wish that they would do more takeover boxes because this is when I think you really get your money's worth. I did see on Instagram somewhere they're probably going to be doing like an Alamar Cosmetics takeover box, which I would be interested in seeing that. I don't know if they have foundations and stuff, but their other products are really, really, really nice. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I look forward to doing many more BoxyCharm unboxings, even though they work on my nerves sometimes, y'all, but y'all know how it is. Guys, please, please, please wear your mask and stay safe. These COVID numbers are becoming out of control again, and I just want each and every one of you guys to be safe. I'm trying my hardest to stay COVID-free and safe, so pray for me, guys. I will pray for y'all. That's all that I have for this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Give it a big thumbs up if this is the kind of content that you like. Share the video with friends and family and everybody, boo. And I will see you all in the comments and on my next video. We have Glossy Box coming up. Look fantastic and something else. So please, please, please check my videos out. I love you guys. Oh, Tuesdays and Saturdays I post 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right. Bye, loves.